Hello and welcome to Reflect with Ritika, and this is a Friday morning and we are here again with our cards to see what is waiting us. What is that one thing that we need to put our attention or reflect on today. So the first card that I have here is an amazingly beautiful card that talks about your emotional fulfillment, your emotional connection with something or someone. So this is like you fill my cup and I'll fill your cup because I, without words, understand what you have and what you want to feel right now. And this kind of a relationship happens only when your ego is outside of the relationship and it's not affecting your being, both of yours. So this can happen with a person. If it is a person, you have to maintain it, but it can also happen with things like, I'll give you my example. I have felt this with books. So I might not read the entire book. I feel like picking up a book and just randomly open a page, and I have read so many paragraphs like that, like not reading the entire book, but just one paragraph, and I have felt that this is the message that I wanted to listen to today. This is something that the divine is telling me. This is the answer to the question that I had in the morning. And it feels like, oh my god, it feels like goosebumps. You know the feeling, how it is. So this is a kind of relationship. If you're looking for such a relationship, or if you have felt that, do let me know. And if you want a relationship with someone or something like that, what would be stopping you is your not letting go the past wounds that you have in your heart. So if it is a person that you are looking to have this kind of a relationship with, then you have to overcome the past traumas and experiences that you have had with the person, because no person is bad or they want to hurt you if they are your loved ones. They are just in that situation, they reacted and not responded, and you are judging them on their reaction because they could not respond, they were not aware enough, or you were not aware enough to respond mindfully in that moment. So don't judge them for that. Just move on and heal yourself and love the relationship that you want to build and you want to sustain. So because your action will make all the difference. So let me know if that resonates, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Have a wonderful day.